Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this video tutorial. When your iPhone is stuck on recovery mode or DFU mode, in the situation, how you will get out of recovery mode without data loss and by free of course. This procedure won't be chargeable guys. By free of course you can get rid of it, especially from recovery mode or DFU mode guys. Simultaneously of course, if you would like to fix any data error or any iOS error, of course this can be also fixed by using this tool. It's a free of course, so let's firstly switch on this device into the recovery mode, and then I would like to show you how it's easily you can exit by free of course. So for it guys, first of all you need to download 3U tool. So see here, this is a 3U tool. Let me connect once again. See guys, I'm going to connect this device. So now see guys, here one device has been connected at the moment. Now suppose this device is in a recovery mode. Yeah, it has been stuck on the recovery mode. So in that situation, what will happen? And how can I get rid of it? Or how can I get out of recovery mode? So see guys, suppose this device has been stuck. Now I'm going to insert a data cable from iPhone device. Now see, it's saying that it has been in a recovery mode. Yeah, of course this device connected recovery mode. So in that situation, if you would like to exit, if you would like to clean the old data, then go for flash. We have option 1. By clicking here, of course we can go for download, and after downloading we can flash. So all the data and the application will be erased, and once again you will have a opportunity to of course enter your Apple ID and password, and after entering, if you are a genuine owner of this, of course quickly you can unlock your device as a new one. But if you would like to save your data without losing any data, you would like to get out of recovery mode, how you will do it? Yes, this execution can be possible on any iPhone device. So simply I will click on a, see guys, on a device 2, I will click on exit. So now see guys, this device, of course now it's out of recovery mode. So guys, it's a free of course. This tool download link I will give you below the description box. Blindly of course you can head to a download by one click. So there, this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry related to iOS device, of course you can raise the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible or in course of time according to your query guys. So this is all about. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.